Luke's here. Look at the boy Luke.
Oh, the man.
What's up?
What up, my dude?
Good.
What it is, pimp, what it is.
Yeah, check out.
Chillin', long time, bro.
Check out the homie's house.
The crib.
Can't be too loud, right?
No, we're gonna walk around the back.
On in the jungle.
Freaking freezing is what we are.
It is kind of cold, that's why we're all bundled up. But it's 6:30 in the morning. Well, actually, it's about to be 6:45, and we're about to go on the boat. We're about to do some wake surfing. Probably not some wake boarding. Water's a little murky, but yo, George, you gonna get in the water?
Hell no.
What you mean?
Bro,
We didn't come all the way over here to go wake surfing for you to record.
No. It is like 40 degrees in that water,
Hey,
man.
let me know if you think, because obviously you won't know until you get there, but let me know if you think George is gonna get in the water. And trust me, with me, but he's gonna get in the water. If not, I'm gonna have to throw him in the water. Just know that. Don't push me. I got my phone and my keys. But
You won't walk to the edge?
what?
You won't walk to the edge? Oh, hell no.
You ever seen Happy Feet?
Hey, now walk it out. 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 West side walk it out. West side walk it out. South side walk it out.
Hell no.
Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. Nah, we're definitely gonna do that though. Do some front flips off of it. Hey, y'all boys ready? Nope. What you mean no?
You ready?
I'm ready. I'm getting my half swimsuit on. You ready, boy?
I ain't getting in that water, man.
How much you want to bet?
I already took it.
Let me know if he's gonna get in the water. He's gonna get in the water. Two favorite fans, fan one, fan two. Hey, what's up, guys? Let them know, G. Hey, what's up?
We get it.
Let's go. All right, Luke, what about you, buddy?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Greg. I don't know if I want to go in the water right now, but we're gonna do it anyway.
What you got there, like a little video game?
That's my Mario Kart.
This is the little Nintendo Wii. What's the one that you can take with you? The Switch or something?
Yeah, the Switch. They came out recently with the Magic Mini.
What it do, baby? Hey, that was great.
How's that water?
It was good. In the beginning, I was like,
Yeah,
but I got it.
It's
All right,
freezing. Luke's up.
How tall are you? Let's see. Get next to this thing. It's a 7-foot board. And you look like you about the same height.
That boy's looking like too
We're like the Men in Black. You know what? Georgie, gotta get my pump on. Active recovery day.
No days off, baby.
No days off, baby. That's my jam. Let me see it.
I ain't got an ass.
Let me see it.
I ain't got an ass. I'm not. No.
Hey. Hey, you can't see me twerk because I'm recording like a selfie, but.
She's having too much fun.
It's cold.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Get them going.
Let's go.
Georgie.
Now I'm gonna go wakeboarding.
Come on, Georgie,
Right
get on.
now?
Yeah, get on.
Let him go wakeboarding.
No, let him go wake surf. It's easier, and then you go wakeboard.
Bro, I'm gonna go.
We'll finish with wakeboarding. You go on a little bit. There you go. There you go. I told you I was gonna get you on. Shut up, fool. Yeah, you got nice hair. You need a wetsuit or are you good?
Nah, get the
Ooh,
wetsuit.
fire department.
Oh, George is going for his first attempt. What do you think?
So then you're gonna be on.
Is he getting,
So wait,
is he getting up on his first attempt or
left
not?
side like we are.
Let me know what you think. I think so. He has no faith in himself.
All right, so you're gonna be on.
10 minutes, you guys even got in the water. Let's go, buddy.
Give me the board.
Go, boy.
Give me the board. Give me the board. Give me the board. Try getting up if you. He's going straight to the ground. Hold on, let's figure it out. That's too fast, Luke. Look at him, bro. He can't do it.
Remember, he's goofy.
Yo!
How's it going?
It's cold shit.
Attempt number 10? Don't worry, we'll get you on it. We'll get you on it. Get it ready. There you go. Lean back. Hey, no boogers on the channel.
Yeah. Okay. As fast as you get. Hold on with both hands, buddy. Like a cook. There you go, boy. There we go. All right, now concentrate. Hold on, lean back like that.
First time, how was that?
No man, it's really fun. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get up, depending like how you ride, whether it's like regular or goofy. But once you get on, it's fun. The water's freezing, but it's fun. We're out here, man.
All right, guys, so we're taking a quick little break. Luke's gonna go on to wakeboarding. I've never tried wakeboarding, so he's gonna teach me a little bit, so should be fun. Hopefully you're enjoying the video so far. George, you about to get the drone going?
Yeah, we're getting it up in the air right now. Just checking some of the settings and get it up in the air right now.
It's pretty nice out here right now. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cold, but once you get in, it feels good. We're out here in Miami Beach for those of you watching outside, and if you are, let me know. Let me know where you're watching from. I definitely like to know. Again, hope you guys are enjoying the video. Catch you guys soon. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Man, that boy looked like a fish out of water.
Let's go. And I was already dry. And this
What you about to do, G?
wetsuit, you already was wearing it, so might to go wait. Wait, you probably peed in it too.
No, I didn't actually. I haven't peed in it yet.
I'm going wakeboarding for the first time, so Luke's gonna have to show me some.
Show you the ropes. Right, guys?
That was such a bad joke.
Right, guys?
That
No.
was such a bad joke. Check out the wakeboard though. You saw it?
Yeah, this thing's hard.
It's a really nice wakeboard. Oh, these boots just makes you feel good.
Pineapples and.
Shout out to Omid Waves. At Omid Waves.
Oh,
for
quick
the,
shout out, quick plug.
For the wakeboard
merchandise.
and the boots.
Yeah, this board's super dope.
Hopefully I can own up to it. So here we go.
Get the bird, get the bird, get
Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Right there, right there.
Ooh, we got a nice little
Pelican.
pelican. That's not a pelican, no, it's a freaking.
It's a freaking.
That's a pterodactyl.
All right, G, tie me up, buddy.
Bro, there's a long string for a reason.
All right,
You don't
let me
need
do it.
to.
I got it. Watch this.
Here, I'll give you the freaking string. Here. Wow, mira para eso. Mira que
Oh,
nice.
yeah, son. Have your heel as far back like a regular snowboard. Okay, the boots are a little loose, right?
Yeah, it's a little
Gee, you're gonna need this.
Wait, is that the right way?
What? Get right
I'm
there.
shaking. I don't know if
Sit
it's cold because I'm nervous.
Nah, it's cold.
So suck. I do get nervous. All right, so what? Just put the other one here.
Yeah.
Why not?
Rip my pants. When Big Larry came on to put him down.
SpongeBob's in the turn club.
That's not what he said. When the fool who went in.
Shout out to SpongeBob, one of the best.
Now, one of my favorite episodes is when they're in the bowl. They're doing like the
what?
when the thrill of one
Oh,
more
no.
kill.
It's the thrill of one more kill.
SpongeBob in our prime was definitely
Oh,
every 90s.
absolutely. And
Nostalgic.
I will, to the day I die, I would
2010
always say
kids.
that cartoon.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
What's your favorite SpongeBob episode? Because there's a lot of them. One of my favorites one is Krusty Krab.
Nah, my favorite is the.
Oh, chocolate.
My favorite has to be the slash slinging.
Oh yeah.
The dash.
That's me right now since I'm the slash slinging slasher.
The hash slinging slasher used to be a fry cook, just like you.
But no, they don't make cartoons like they used to, man.
Hey, wait, I gotta.
That's a laboratory curse
Oh,
cowardly
yo,
dog.
Courage the Cowardly Dog, classic.
Timmy Turner.
Yo, give me my sunglasses back.
Even the Disney Channel ones were pretty dope.
Hey, chill. My favorite Disney Channel movie?
Which one?
No,
Say,
I can't say it out loud.
say it on 3.
Can't.
The movie? I already know what it is.
Like, just don't say it though. That's like something that.
I think it's Camp Rock.
It's not. It's not. But being that you already said that.
What is it?
It's High School Musical.
All in this together. Once we know that we're all stars, and we see that.
Ooh, I was close. How'd that go, G?
Oh my God. Let me tell you, my legs are shaking. That's a full-on leg workout. You see my little jump though?
Leg day, yeah.
I really try with that jump.
The
I really
drone
try.
got it.
It's scary though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, it's scary, but yeah, it was a lot of fun. Thank you, Luke. Appreciate it, homie.
You'll get used to it.
Captain Luke out here.
All right, guys. So we just made it back. It was a wonderful day. First time wakeboarding. I've kind of wake surfed with Luke a while, so I already know how to do that. It was great to see Georgie to get on it. Pretty awesome. Reason why I did this video was not so you guys can watch me wake surf. It was mainly to show you guys that fitness is not just about being in the gym. Okay, today is like an active recovery day, right? An active recovery means being active on a rest day, whether it's playing some type of sport, right? It doesn't have to be so intense, all right, or stressful on the body, okay? So like I said, definitely got a nice little leg workout. We burned some calories, right? We had some fun. I moved the body all in general though. Now I'm gonna focus on my overall day, make sure I get my nutrition, dial that in. But again, find something you enjoy doing. Go play some basketball, soccer, football, tennis, whatever it is, something outdoor. It doesn't always have to be in the gym. So supplement it into your routine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is pretty cold, so I have a busy day today, so I gotta get going. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, like, share, comment, do all the fun stuff. Love you guys. I'll catch you guys soon.
Whoa.
What's up?
Aren't you forgetting a little something over there?
Dude, it's cold, bro. I'm already like dry. I don't want to get in there. It's too cold.
I don't know. You already promised the viewers. I don't know what you want me to tell
Come
you,
on,
bro.
are you really
but,
gonna make me go in there right now?
That little ramp thing over there is calling your name there. I don't know.
Can I at least put the suit on? Yeah, I'm putting
You
the suit
do what
on.
you gotta do there, champ. But all I'm
Only-
saying is
it's
for
only
the
for the
viewers, you know.
It's only for YouTube purposes.
For the tube, real quick.
It's only for the YouTube purposes. Ah, Luke, he's making me do this.
Luke, stay out of it.
About to go in sandals and everything. All right, we're gonna end this
Flops.
video here.
In the flops.
Once I land, just cut it, I guess. How did you guys manage to do this? Oh, it's long enough. Sorry.
Wow.
First time I put one of these on, by the way. On your mark. Get set. All right, front flip. Yeah, front flip. Too scared to do a back flip now. Oh, God.
Yay! Encantasia!
Get me out of this thing. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work.
Bro, it's that cold. Bro, it's cold, man. Give me a towel. You bastard!
I almost got him! Cut for real now.